People and the settlement. What is the meaning of the word settlement? Settlement, in the sense, we have seen, look around us, we have various towns, cities, villages where the people have settled down at a particular place, like construction of their houses, or making their farm fields, or looking after their businesses, establishment of their businesses. Anything comes under the settlement. Now, how did this settlement start, or where did it begin? What is the purpose of this? As it's starting from earlier onwards, is it the same, or is it the other things? Where did the settlements begin? Like, nearly the human beings have established on this earth, and they were earlier like 1.8 lakh years ago. The human beings started living on this earth in the form of barbaric lifestyle. Around some 10,000 years ago, the man started to settle down at a place and started to do some work, like doing agriculture. Earlier, he used to go in search of food from one place to another place for long places, so they could not settle at a particular place. Around some 10,000 years ago, they started to settle at a particular place, started to do some work, started to get some food for them, started eating fruits, and all these things have developed them to settle at a particular place, especially nearby to the river valley regions. When nearby to rivers, you get the place where you can settle down clearly, and do at least we need water, and they are able to hit some animal with some stones and everything and get food for them, or pluck some plants, some trees, some leaves, and started to eat something. So that settlements have lurched or emerged them into develop an agricultural activity. With the development of the agricultural activity, they started to settle down at a particular place and started to doing the jumping agriculture or the shifting agriculture, what we have studied in the earlier lessons. When this system has developed, we got number of groups of people settling at a particular place. As the expansion of the activity started, now this group of people started to settle at a particular place, they established their own rulers, and now we started the moving of the people, like from non-agricultural activities. Not only the agricultural activities, they started to move on the predicting of the atmosphere, predicting on the climatic conditions, the climatic seasons, how does they work, when do we get rain, what kind of works we have to do. These are all things they started to do, because if you want to do agriculture, we should have an idea like when we are going to get the rains. If you don't have that idea, we can't do it. In summer, we can't put a crop and sow the seeds and wait them for the rain. So the issues have developed them some scientific outlook for them, and then they started to do the other occupations like craft works, painting works, or then to the other church temple works, and all these things led them to do the other non-agricultural activities, which made them to settle in the new places. And even the rulers of that particular period encouraged them to settle at the various new places, and the population started to settle at a standard place rather than moving from one place to another place.